And the British Parliament votes on Tuesday on Prime Minister Theresa May's plan for the UK's withdrawal and future relationship with the European Union. The numbers indicate the government is going to be defeated, and that leaves little time before March the 29th, when the UK is scheduled to become the first developed country in history to voluntarily leave a trade bloc. So what if May doesn't get the votes she needs? There are multiple possibilities. We've picked out 3 of them for you. The government could delay the departure date. To do so, it needs the permission from all 27 of the EU's other member states. There's also a chance Brexit will happen at the end of March, but if she's beaten and doesn't get what she wants, that would mean a no-deal Brexit. The government itself has calculated that a no-deal Brexit would shrink the British economy by 8%. And Theresa May has made a very specific appeal to pro-Brexit MPs. She has said to them, back me in Parliament, because otherwise MPs could take control of the whole situation. Possibly Brexit won't happen at all. Maybe the MPs could force her to hold a second referendum. That idea she does not like at all.